Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Matt went to the store.
Oh, we're doing it now. And he saw bananas on sale.
But Matt doesn't like bananas.
But Matt's boyfriend, Topher, loves banana cream pie.
So Matt bought bananas.
And he went home and made banana cream pie.
But Topher never came home that night.
But he got a text from Brian that said, "Hey, I just saw Topher at the Bear Ass Club."
But the Bear Ass Club was really a spaceship.
The spaceship was really a hospital.
Topher was sick.
Topher died.